the Master Guruji, Mr. Mahiramalingam, and today's chief guest, Professor Arulnidhi Ramayusupillai, and further Professor Vedapuri and Madam Amidalakshmi Amma, and also just now, due to his preoccupation, delivered his address and left with us the coordinator of Bharatiya, National Coordinator of Bharatiya University, Dr. Venkatachalam, and also my friend who is with us, Mr. A.K. Rajendran, ex-public prosecutor, and also he is editor of Satta Vizhipunarvu, a monthly magazine. And last but not the least, I should mention the name of Mr. Tangaratinam, who is doing an excellent coordination for the successful completion of the diploma as well as conduction of this function here. And beloved students, my fellow students of the present batch as well as the acupuncturists, the licensed acupuncturists of the past batch, I present my greetings and vanakkam first of all to everybody. My association with Professor Arulnidhi Ramayusupillai as well as Professor Vedapuri was more than 15 years here in Coimbatore. Probably because of that association, today I have been given the opportunity of introducing to you Professor Arulnidhi Ramayusupillai. Most of the time, he is a great Tamil scholar, a living Tamil scholar here in Coimbatore. I am also interested in the language Tamil. So whenever I want any clarification in Tamil literature, I used to consult with him. He is a guide, I should say. He is also a philosopher. He is also a teacher. But at the same time, he is a friend to me also. And above all, as a parent, most of the time, he advises. So I really feel proud and pride to introduce him. In fact, there is an attachment between me and the Professor Arulnidhi Ramayusupillai because we both belongs to the same district. Earlier in Tamil Nadu it was called South Arcot district. I also hail from South Arcot district, and Professor Arulnidhi Ramayusupillai, he is also hailing from the same district. Of course, presently that South Arcot district now has been named as Vizhipuram district. He is born and he studied at Kallakurichi. Actually, the name of the village he was born is Siruvangur. And he is born in the month of October. You can see Coimbatore, the reputed institution, all of you may be knowing, PSG institution. So in PSG Arts and Science College in the Department of Tamil, he worked as a professor for about more than 14 years. And when the PSG institution started their industrial division, he moved from academic side to industrial side, and he worked as a a welfare officer of more than 23 years in that organization. And not only that, after his retirement, he is having still he is maintaining connection and association with Coimbatore Productive Council, Coimbatore Foundry and Association, Coimbatore Textile Management Association, Coimbatore Kambal Kadakam, Coimbatore Nannari Kadakam, and also he worked as a secretary for about 2 years in Coimbatore Sanmarga Sangha. I should here say that his knowledge and his wisdom, I should say, about Arulpa, Vallalar, Ramalinga. He is having a very vast knowledge, and he is ardent